Hi everyone, in this screencast I'm going to take a closer look at the details of a gate at the Keraton, or the Sultan's Palace in the Indonesian city of Yogyakarta. So I found this perfect image here on Flickr. It has this beautiful angle of this gate in Yogyakarta. So this is going to be at the front of the palace near the public entrance. So let's see, I already have this loaded in Pixlr here. I have the original sized image so we can just see kind of a broader picture of what's going on with this architecture and this decoration, this facade here. So we do have these really interesting figures here on the side. These are Garuda, so they are kind of mystical birds. They serve both a protective and spiritual function sitting here on the outside of the gate as well as a decorative one. You have some Javanese script here, presumably giving a little bit of history and description of the gate and of the Keraton. I unfortunately cannot translate that for you as I don't read that script. Up here we have the seal or the coat of arms of the Yogyakarta Sultanate. I would like to look at one detail in particular. You can see this face here. I've got kind of on the very front, in the middle of this gate. And so we're going to zoom in a little bit on that. Let me click crop here. Select aspect. I'd like for the image to be 200 by 200 pixels. So we're going to narrow it down even further so that we can really focus on this interesting figure here. Select apply. All right, so we have zoomed in on this face. You can see kind of the clouds around him, the clouds coming out of his mouth, the fog, what have you. You can see kind of this lotus symbol on his forehead, and he does also have kind of these almost these fangs, these kind of monster teeth here. And so this is an interesting figure that really illustrates some of the Hindu Buddhist heritage that's in a lot of Javanese religious practice, a lot of Javanese art. And so you can read more about this on the Borobudur page. There's a section on some of Indonesia's religious history and religious diversity, and it discusses a little bit of this Hindu heritage.